Hello, good morning once again. So you are welcome to production of electrical energy from mechanical energy. This is Jet Club of Concordia College embarking on this very particular important project. As you can see, the project was embarked on the 14th of March 2024, which in fact it was led by Mr. Tarfa of the IT and ICT department to embark on this very important project. So the project was to generate electricity from mechanical system, a very simple mechanical system, as you can see. So the students were really put through, that is the Jet Club members of Concordia College were put through in order to be able to fix all that is needed for the functioning of these electrical systems. So you can see the wiring is being conducted and they are pushing up, and as it is, you can see everything is clearly recorded and observed. Yes, so this is Chidubem, and we have Blessing Swade as part of the project team, and we have the president of the Jet Club who was also part of the team, trying to make sure that everything is well fixed. So part of the team, we have Mr. Joseph, who was trying to demonstrate how electrical voltage can be measured. So all the necessary things needed were given. Yes, so this is the wiring section, as you can all see. After the wiring section, the mechanical section will also be observed. So far so good. It took about some minutes for the wiring section to be done. As you can see, all things are being tested to make sure that the project really works very fine and very okay. So that is that. In fact, one of the most important aspects of this project is that it enables the students to know how to connect the electrical cables, the electrical wires from one point to the next point, that can enable them generate the desired currents they want. So that was one of the most important aspect that I say the student must have been put through. So in Jet Club Concordia College, we are determined to see that we give all the necessary support to our learners, so that by the time they graduate from Concordia College, they'll be able to come up with some important projects that they can even magnify in order to help them, to carry out some of the things. So as you can see here, this is the mechanical section of the project. The students are trying to couple the electrical components to the mechanical build-up. So here you can see they are trying to make sure that they fix things, everything is balanced, that everything is okay. So you can see they are trying to test the fittings, to put everything in order, and to be very sure that all components are well fixed. Now without the electrical parts, that is, the electrical component constitute of the motor, we have generator, so we have the transformer. They presented this project at AUN Academy, so and you can observe how the presentation was done.
The presentations were over. They are not. We still have a lot of stuff for you. May I have Concordia on stage for their project presentation? Concordia, are you ready? to make something different. This project is a mechanical advantage for Nigeria. That is, if Nigeria further innovates on it into this nation. It is a process whereby we generate electrical energy from mechanical energy from just the use of manual work. To the one we continue from where I come.
We have here the wheel, the belt drive, the motor, the transformer, and the electrical cycle. There are load of us. The handle here is used in rotating the wheel, which causes motion. For the motor, create responsible for the electromagnetic induction, which now passes through transformer and is being boosted into the electrical circuit to generate electrical energy. The electromagnetic induction produced from the motor is then converted to electrical voltage by the transformer, which passes through to the electrical socket, and this can be used by rolling the handle to create rotational motion through mechanical energy, which lights up the bulb. The faster the mechanical energy, the more work required, which makes it to light up faster. But when we are slower, the work this machine does not only work on manual energy, it can also be powered by wind energy or hydro energy, which hopefully will be able to reach by some time. This is also the prototype, but you can make it in a larger scale, which can be used to charge phones and light up fan and provide electricity for your standing fan. Thank you. I would like to leave you with a big fact that I just noticed on this. Today is the 14th of March. Who here knows where we got the 14th of March from as Mars Day? Mars Day is gotten from pi, which is 3.14, also known as 14th of March. Thank you.
The rules for the quiz are very simple. There are 40 questions. You have to select random numbers as you wish, and each school is going to answer 10 questions. You have 30 seconds for each question. Also, no bonus. No bonus. So once you miss a question, that's all. So 40 questions altogether, 1 to 40, pick a random question, no bonus, and 30 seconds for each question. Thank you. So we'll start from my right, that is RTA. Choose the question, please.
Number 8.
Number 8. Which of the following is not a quadrilateral? C is the right answer. Question 7 says, evaluate 345 multiplied by 598 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 739 multiplied by 63 multiplied by 566. C is the right answer. Question 40. Question 40. If the opposite rectangle triangle is 5 cm and the other side is 4 cm, find the hypotenuse side. If the opposite side of a right angle triangle is 5 cm and the other side is 4 cm, find the hypotenuse side.
Answer question 40 B.
B is the right answer.
Good morning, school. Good morning. Are we sleeping? right, we thank the Almighty for bringing us together in order to witness the assembly. So I would like to move straight to the agenda. Is the following students should come out. Genevieve Omeje from Mrs. 2C. Daniel Chidama, Mrs. 2C.
Yes, so are you part of this?
And Hassan Sabu, Mrs. 1C. Also Isa, Mrs. 2C. Chidubem Obi, Mrs. 1C. And Blessing Montapua Swadi, Mrs. 1C. Okay. This student you see presented before you embarked on Science and Mathematics Fair at the APTI or AUN or APTI International Academy. Fortnight ago, we were given the invitation letter to partake in the Science and Mathematics Fair at the Science and Mathematics Day, so which we appreciated the effort of the school. So without much time given, we were able to come up with something, because from the letter of invitation, we asked to prepare our students for science and technology exhibition, and also to prepare them for brief mathematics quiz, so which we selected 6, and though one of them is absent here. So for the mathematics quiz, Genevieve Omeje, Yanwe Chidama, and Al-Hassan Sabo represented the school, and they emerged second. Can we please clap for them? It's not easy. So the prize will be issued by the vice principal. So for the project presenters, okay. So the quiz participants, Yanwe Chidama, Yanwe Hassan, and Genevieve. Please clap for them. Congratulations. Thank you for making us proud. Okay, for the project, we were invited to give our token towards the Science and Technology project presentation, which in fact, these students were able to carry out a fantastic demonstration. So I will invite Hassan Isa, Chidubem Obi, and Blessing Swadi to move forward, please. So they're going to give us just brief explanation on what has happened over there in your absentia.
Good morning, everyone. This is called a mechanical model that generates electricity from manual work. I will give Chidubem to tell us the components of the model.
We have here the wheel, which is responsible for making of the motion. We have the motor, which is responsible for the electromagnetic induction, which passes through the transformer into the electrical socket. Then it generates electrical energy, which lights up the bulb.
is happening here is actually continuous. Yes. Good. So there is if you observe, if we carried out complete rotation of the wheel, you observe that there was no light, right? So that is because the motor is not the type that rotates to give us voltage in complete revolution, and that is why we remove the handle. So, but as you can see, intermittent rotation of the wheel is giving us light, and there is no battery that is used here. We only have the motor, we have the transformer, and then we have the fuse socket, and then we have the pulley system, which is the wheel, the bicycle wheel, and the belt attached to it. So practically we demonstrated, or we directed the students to make provision of this to show the populace that it is very possible to generate electricity even without the use of battery, even without the use of water, which is the hydroelectric power generation, and likewise even without the use of wind, but the use of simple mechanical energy. So which, as I can say here, this is a prototype. So they are still going to work on the advanced form of this, which by the time we have a complete rotation of the wheel, complete electricity will be generated. So for now, this is just a prototype. Can we please clap for them? So we're given certificate of participation for the science and mathematics fair, and we are going to present to the participants that were present, all the students. So you can move forward for your certificate of honor. So congratulations, and thank you for making us proud, and we hope to see more of that. So thank you very much, sir. And before we forget, we are also giving some of the products the students over there made. Now what you see here, I believe you are very much familiar. This is what we call liquid detergents, popularly known as the Morning Fresh, right? So the students at AUN produced this, and they gave us as a gift for honoring their invitation. Yes, so we look forward to also invite more schools by the grace of God to come and witness our own science and mathematics day, which we are going to exchange some technological products. So thank you very much. On behalf of the school management of Concordia, the senior academic staff, we really appreciate your effort, and we hope to see more coming from you. I would like to acknowledge the team of engineers among the staff that worked tirelessly to see to the success of this project. I will not forget the able HOD of Science Department, Mr. Peter Aji, Mr. John Paul with his grammatical encouragement, Mr. Joseph from Mathematics Department, and others. Madam Musa was also part of the engineering team. We also want to appreciate the mechanical department of the school for helping guiding our students towards achieving this. So, Lucia, thank you very much.